In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Google Slides presentation as an image format like JPEG or PNG. So what you need to do is go to the file menu, click download, and then here you can either choose JPEG or PNG. Personally, I think PNG is the best because it is pretty much compatible across platforms and the image quality is still pretty good. So I'm going to choose that. But you might have noticed that this method might only download one slide at a time, and it's going to be difficult if you want to get it done on all slides, especially if you have a presentation with tons of slides. But I'm going to talk about that later. For now, let me show you what is the result. So this is the result of this slide that is coming from this presentation. Now let's move on to download basically the entire slides, and we are going to convert it into an image. What you need to do now is go to the file menu, click download, and select PDF. I think PDF is the best format for this case. And later we are going to need to basically convert that PDF document into image files. Fortunately, there are plenty of free online tools available that allows you to convert PDF into PNG or JPEG. One example is this website, but you can also go to Google and type PDF to PNG converter, and you will have a lot of results. So this is the document in PDF, but we don't need it. We want to convert it into a PNG format. So just upload the file, the PDF file, and after that you can convert the document. After the document has been uploaded and converted, you can download it, and it will show you the new version of the PDF document as a PNG file. Okay, just let me open the document first. Once the download is completed, usually they're going to pack all the slides in one archive file. So usually you have to extract that file to get all the images. And when you're done, you basically can just see the images, and you can even open it on the browser. So these are the slides from the document, and now they are in the PNG file. You can see the format is PNG. So that's how you can download your Google Slides document into an image. I hope this video helps you.